Hello everyone, thank you for watching TrvLrn with Jay. This is me Janeta and I'm back with another episode in a stock market series. So today in this video we are going to discuss what is small cap, mid cap and large cap. Before moving ahead, if you're new to this channel, I am Janeta and I post videos related to stock market, finance, learning and traveling. Please do subscribe to my channel. To understand the three terms mid cap, small cap and large cap, first we need to understand what is market capitalization. Market capitalization is commonly called as market cap, that is the total market value of a company listed in the stock exchange. So let us first understand how market capitalization is calculated. Market capitalization is equal to share price multiplied with the number of outstanding shares. You may be having a question on what is outstanding shares. Outstanding shares are those shares that is issued by the company to their investors. That is the stocks owned by the company's investors, company's officials and other public investors, that is we people also. Remember, the shares owned by the company's owners are not included in outstanding shares. So why are we diving into market capitalization? This is because when you have two companies in your mind to invest and you're not sure or you want to understand which one is better than the other one, that is where market capitalization comes into picture. Let's take an example. Say company X has 1 lakh outstanding shares and it is of 100 rupees per share. So what will be the market capitalization? It will be 1 lakh into 100, that is 1 crore rupees. So that is the total market value of company X. Indian stock market classifies stocks on the basis of market capitalization. That is why there are three categories, that is large cap, mid cap and small cap. Here cap refers to capitalization. As per SEBI, that is Securities Exchange Board of India, hope you know that it is the regulatory that regulates the Indian capital market. As per SEBI, large cap is the top 100 companies, then mid cap starts from 101 to 250 and the small cap starts from 251, then so on. So that is how they have categorized large cap, mid cap and small cap companies. You can also check indexes for each cap on the NSE website. Let me show you how you can go and search for the list of companies listed in large cap, mid cap and small cap and their indexes. So this is the NSE website. You can come to this particular page by just putting in Google Nifty 100 index. So let me just read out to you. It says Nifty 100 represents top 100 companies based on full market capitalization from Nifty 500. So this index measures the performance of large market capitalization. So this is the top 100 companies that are called as the large cap companies. You can see there is an option to download the list of Nifty 100 stocks. I'll show you this particular page as well. Let's go to Nifty Mid Cap 150 index. So in this represents the next 150 companies that is ranked in 101 to 250. So this is the mid cap companies. So here also you can see there is an option to download the Nifty Mid Cap 150 stocks list. It represents 12.9% of the index. Let's go to the last, that is Nifty Small Cap 250 index. Nifty Small Cap 250 index represents the balance, that is the 250 companies ranked between 251 to 500 from the Nifty 500. So these are the list of small cap companies. Let me show you all the list of large cap companies that I have downloaded. So this is the file. This file will be in CSV format. You can download it and view it in the CSV file viewer. So this is in alphabetical order, so you can see the names of the companies showing: Britannia, Cadila, Cipla, Coal India, HCL, Hero Motocorp, ITC, Indocent. So these are the top 100 companies that are known as the large cap companies, or you can also say the blue chip companies. The same way you can also download the list of mid cap and small cap companies from the NSE website directly. Let us see the returns and risk involved in each category. If someone tells you to invest only in blue chip companies, that is they are referring to the large cap companies to invest in. So let us understand the risk, returns and the volatility. Volatility means the movement of share prices on this particular categories. Large cap company returns are moderate and the risk is low. Volatility, that is the price change, is also low. Examples of large cap companies we have Reliance, HDFC, Infosys, TCS, etc. and so on. Mid cap companies, the returns are high as compared to large cap and the risks are also high as compared to large cap. Volatility is also high as compared to large cap companies. Example of mid cap companies are Adani Enterprises, Ajanta Pharma, Crisil and so on. Then we have small cap company. Returns are very high. Risk is very high as compared to large cap and mid cap. Price category, that is the volatility, is high, like the price changes like 5%, 10% and sometimes more than that. Examples, small cap companies we have Bajaj Consumer, Bank of Maharashtra, Central Bank of India, etc. Remember, the companies currently showing in large cap, mid cap or small cap are not going to stay there forever. If a small cap company performs well and has strong fundamentals, then it can become a mid cap or also sometime move ahead to become a large cap company. In the same way, if a large cap company is not performing well, they can move to become a mid cap or sometimes many companies becomes bankrupt. So this is how a market works. That is why I always say before investing, study well, study the market, study the company you're investing in. So guys, that was all for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel TrvLrn with Jay. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.